Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change email address on QuillBot. In order to change your email address on QuillBot, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. So to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar type in www.quillbot.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. After that, you'll be taken to the login or sign up interface. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. In order to change your email address on QuillBot, so tap on the profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen, and right over there click on account details. As soon as you click on account details, underneath you'll be taken to the account information page. Right on this page, scroll down a bit, and under it you'll be able to find email. In order to change your email or to update it, click on the pencil icon located next to it, and then remove the current email address and type in the new one that you wish to replace with. After that, click on update, which is under it. So you'll be asked to verify it. For that, a confirmation code has been sent to the following email address or your previous email address. So what you need to do is open up your email and then check for the verification code. As you can see that there is the link, so what you need to do is, here you have the verification code, copy this and then paste it right over here where it has been asked. Now click on the next button. Now that the email has been changed, what you have to do is you need to verify your newly or replaced email address. So open up your email once again and then enter in the verification code. As you can see right on top, I have the confirmation email. Scroll down, copy this and then paste it on the other page. Right over here, click on the save button. As soon as you're done with this procedure, you need to sign in again. So click on the sign in button. Now you need to replace your email address. Click on the login button and then you'll be logged into your account. So as you can see that my email address has been changed, and in order to check it, do the same procedure. Click on the profile icon, click on account details, and here you go that the email has been verified as well as replaced. In this way you can change your email address on QuillBot. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.